Hi, today I'm going to be showing you the D3O demonstration kit from Gear4. D3O is the exclusive material that we use inside of all of our phone cases. So inside each demo kit you have a pot of the D3O material, you have a D3O foam disc, a ball bearing and a demonstration hammer. First of all, if you take out the pot of goo, and what you do is you can take it out of the pot and demonstrate it this way. So D3O is a material that is non-Newtonian and strain rate sensitive, which means that it can transition from being a liquid to a solid, dependent on the amount of energy that gets put into it. So at the moment it's acting like a liquid, all the molecules are moving around, but as soon as you put energy or impact into it, it acts like a solid, so the molecules are fused together. One way of demonstrating this is to wrap the goo around your fingers and then take the hammer out of the box, and then you can use the material to protect your fingers from the hammering. The next way is to take the foam disc, put that on a desk, take the ball bearing, you can drop the ball bearing on the desk, you can see how high that bounces because none of the impact's being absorbed. The next, you drop it on the foam disc itself, the disc absorbs that impact and the ball bearing lands and stays where it is. So that's the impact being absorbed by all the D3O material. As I said, the D3O material is used exclusively by Gear4 in all of our phone cases. We make it transparent, as in for our Crystal Palace. We wrap it across the back of plates in a Battersea, and also we colour match around the outside for our Piccadilly. That's the D3O material used exclusively by Gear4.